We all have cleaned the corner, each and every corner of our sweet home. But I would like to ask you one question. But have you checked the corners of your heart? What are they whispering? Maybe there is a dust in the form of anger, some regret, maybe an old hurt still hiding behind your smile. You don't need to carry it into another festive season, like we replace old lights and replace old thoughts too. So, if this resonates with you, then I want you to do this guided practice. Before we move into the guided practice, hi, I am Luminary Coach Charanjit with NLP, and we are on a long journey to make you new you by doing the small guided practices we say adopting micro habit, and we only adopt these micro habits when we do the guided task, and when we do the guided task as a practice, we release and reframe our thoughts, belief and values too. Today, as I said, maybe there's a dust in the form of anger, regret, or hate. Let's do one guided practice. Write one emotion you are ready to release. Say it softly, I let it go. I let it go. I let it go. Once you say this 3 times, you will release the negative energy from you. And post that, breathe. I would suggest you to do a box breathing. You will feel lighter in your body, and the moment you will feel lighter in your body, your heart will stop holding on what it was holding. So, my dear friends, I read in one of the book, forgiveness doesn't change the past, it clears the path. You heard me right? Forgiveness doesn't change the past, it clears the path. So I trust you that you will do the guided practice to be new you. And if this aligns with you and it changes your perspective for this particular topic, then I would like clap for yourself and to share this with your friends and relatives, because learning and transformation is a collective journey, and when we do the guided practice in our environment, our family also notices, and unsaidly they also dive in the transformational journey. So be with me and let's keep the curiosity alive for tomorrow. See you.